Hello everyone, this is RB3 locks, 4 pins, pin in pin, side pin, interactive element, and also interactive on the end of the key. You can see this is the key. Now I want to show you how this works. I cut the cylinder from here. I move the camera, I don't want to show the tool. This is the key. You can see it's locked, the tool inside the lock. Now we start picking. Now the lock is in full set. Kind of rotation in number 4, number 3, sorry. Very deep full set, and the lock is open. In the 3 locks you have a special pin on number 4. You need to touch this twice. 2 times you need to pick this to full open the lock. So this is the tool. If someone wants this tool, please feel free to contact with me. Now I show you the lock. You can see the pins. 1, 2, 3. This is the 5, and this is the 4. The 4 you have a special patent here. You can turn the lock after you pick this. You need to pick twice the number 4. So this is all for today. This is the lock. You can see. This is the key. Interactive pin in pin. Also here interactive and side pin. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.